In 2024, your financial situation is going to change, but it starts with your intentions and your plans. Let me show you how to make a plan because without a plan, you are just wishing for improvement. You can do this in all areas of your life, but today we are just going to focus on finances. So I want you to make 2 columns on your paper, goals and actions. Excuse my crooked line, but essentially what we're going to do is we're going to write out all of your financial goals for this next year, and we are going to give each goal an action that you can take that will move you closer to that goal. So in the goals column, I want you to go and write all of your financial goals for 2024, anything that you want to achieve this year. So boom, here are some examples for you. Get out of debt, save $1,800, stop overspending, stick to a budget consistently, heal money mindset. These can be anything that you want. It's up to you. Once you have all your goals, let's go through and assign an action to each goal. So for example, for get out of debt, the first action you can take is to create a snowball plan. And if you don't know what a snowball plan is, go watch some of my other videos about debt and it will explain fully. The point here is not to make this stressful and list out every single action you need to take, but what are some actions you can take to get started on those goals, or what are some actions you can take that are going to accomplish those goals? So here are some example actions to kind of show you what I mean. Save $1,800. That's going to be $150 per month for a year. So that would be your action. Save $150 per month. You need to put that in your budget. Stop overspending. Start cash stuffing. And maybe it doesn't end up working out for you, but at least try it because that will help you. Stick to budget consistently. That means you need to create a comfortable and realistic budget that you're going to be able to stick to consistently. If you want to heal your money mindset, maybe the first step you want to take is to journal consistently. If you want to let me know in the comments some of your goals and you're stuck on finding actions, put them in the comments and I can help. Once you get done with your list, then boom, you have the whole list of goals to look at, and this is going to move you closer to those goals just by you writing them out on paper. Also, actionable steps to take towards these goals. Now you have a list of them. So put this list somewhere that you're going to see it daily and look at it every single day. I have a list of goals in my bathroom, by my mirror, because I see that every single day. And when you look at these things every day, day in and day out, you will be surprised that you subconsciously just move towards those goals. So take these actions towards your goals consciously and consistently and watch how it starts coming together for you. I'm Ashley, and I help women take control of their money so they can break up with survival mode for good. Like this video, go follow me, check out the resources in my bio and some of the videos on my page if you want to get started on creating the life that you want, getting control of your money and your financial situation. Let's make 2024 our best year yet. You got this, friend. I believe in you.